Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, do well by clicking on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. Love to watch out for it. And also, guys, if you are yet to follow us on Telegram, you will find a link to our Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to our Telegram channel, which will be in the comment section. Follow us there. Now, let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the next day on GBPJPY. But first, if you have been following this channel consistently, we actually predicted this drop to level of 180. We talked about it. I think it was during that time when GBPJPY was trading at a level of 187. We talked about GBPJPY dropping to a level of 180, and you can see it. It has literally dropped to this level of 180. Amazing move, right? We had another movement to the upside, and guess what? It came to this level, broke below this level of 180. Come to this level of 178, serving as kind of giving us like a double bottom here. It looks like market wants to start reversing to the upside. So we need to keep our eye on it. But we need a confirmation. And one of those confirmations is the news that will be released very soon. I think in 4 hours' time. Keep your eye on it. Before the London session opens, or before the London session and New York's open, we are able to predict very well what GBPJPY will do. But right now, we are in the middle because there will be an important news that will be released soon, and that news will be policy rates. Probably, let's see how it does. If the news does not come out fine on JPY, then expect JPY to drop. If JPY will drop, then expect this GBP to JPY to push up, which I think we do that, but it is just my thoughts, not a confirmation right now. So if JPY will drop, then expect GBP JPY to push up to the upside. If not, we might see GBP JPY continue the movement to the downside. But for confirmation, we will plot in this our trend line, so you can see it. Multiple touch, multiple rejection. Once it comes to this our trend line, we tend to see the drop. Then this trend line, we tend to see the drop. Now, if the news will not come out fine on JPY, it means JPY will drop. That means GBP to JPY will come with push up. Once it tap this trend line and break above this trend line, all you just have to do is wait for the pullback to test this trend line. Then we will continue this movement to a level of 188. It means GBP JPY will continue that movement to level of 188 only if it breaks above this trend line. Because if the news makes it break above the trend line, then expect that movement to level 188. If not, if it does not do that, and JPY starts seeing a very strong movement to the upside, then GBP might start falling. GBP to JPY might start falling and give us a new lower low. So pay attention to the news that will be released, and maybe next time we do analysis, we'll be able to forecast what will happen next. Do not forget to follow us on Telegram for an update.